Hi everyone, I'm Peter Garnace and welcome to UTrade Rundown. April inflation just surged to 7.2% while the Philippine economy slowed sharply to 2.8% in the first quarter. That combination has investors asking one dangerous question. Is the Philippine economy already experiencing stagflation? Stagflation happens when prices keep rising while the economy starts losing momentum at the same time. And right now, we're starting to see some warning signs. Philippine inflation jumped to 7.2% in April, the highest since 2023 and well above expectations. The biggest contributors include higher food prices, higher transport costs, and rising electricity and water bills. A lot of this came from the spike in global oil prices during the US-Iran conflict. That's why transport inflation surged by 21%, while utilities rose more than 8%. At the same time, the peso weakened, making imported goods even more expensive. But here's where things get more concerning. While inflation is accelerating, the economic growth is slowing sharply. Philippine GDP grew by just 2.8% in the first quarter, below expectations and far below the government's target of 5 to 6%. Household spending also weakened significantly, slowing from 5.3% growth last year to just 3% today. When Filipinos tighten belts because food, fuel, and electricity are becoming too expensive, economic momentum slows down. Now, are we officially in stagflation already? Not necessarily. The economy is still growing, and the labor market hasn't collapsed yet. But the outlook remains challenging. The problem is that while higher interest rates can help control inflation and stabilize the peso, they also slow down borrowing, investments, and consumer spending. So the key question moving forward is simple. Will inflation cool before economic growth weakens even more? Because the real danger isn't just inflation anymore. It's inflation staying high while the economy keeps losing momentum. And that's it for this week's UTrade Rundown. For regular market updates, open a UTrade account today.